what I feel. The mask is on, but I'm not free. A prisoner of my own insanity. The chainsaws hum, the screams I hear. I'm lost in this nightmare, drowning in fear. A family's twisted love, a twisted name. I'm a shadow born of guilt and shame. Every slash, every violent cry. A broken soul, no will to die. The pain is all I've ever known. In the blood and dust I've grown. But behind the mask there's something more. A boy who's lost, who can't ignore. You made me this way, you turned the key. Now I'm the monster you refuse to see. The chainsaw cuts through flesh and bone. A scream that echoes, but I'm alone. The mask is on, but I'm not free. A prisoner of my own insanity. The chainsaws hum, the screams I hear. I'm lost in this nightmare, drowning in fear. I never asked for this fate of mine. A life of pain, I'm trapped in time. I wear the mask, I carry the scar. But deep inside, I'm still too far. In the silence, I feel the pain. The mask I wear is all that remains. A chainsaw scream, a life of dread. But in my heart, I'm already dead.